How's it going, everyone? I'm right here in Flushing. I'm actually here to do some campaigning for Ron Kim for State Assembly. And basically, you know, over here in Flushing is very quiet, and it's a very, it's a very big neighborhood, and it's very a lot of space. It's a very big neighborhood. The race here is mostly favoring Ron Kim, but now you have Kenneth Chiu who's running, and basically he's running as a real estate candidate. You can see how this is the first time in all my time doing campaigning for candidates. I've never ever seen this. I spent 2-3 years doing campaigning, and I've never seen anyone put posters on a tree. You know, that's really crazy. But anyway, so looking forward to seeing more what happens in this local race here in Flushing. All the best for Ron Kim. He's actually the favorite to win this race. All right, have a good one, everybody.